What are you doing with this, Tessie? Huh? What are you doing? Are you supposed to have this? Are you? Look at me. I'm talking to you. Are you supposed to have this? Huh? Are you? Should Mama cry because you're being naughty? Should I? Should I be crying right now? Yeah, I'm talking to you. Tessie, talking to you. Are you being a little rascal? How come you're being a booger? Huh? How come you're being a booger? Do you love Mama? Huh? Are you Mama's boy? Are you Mama's boy? Sit. No, don't go on the couch. Sit down. Oh, you just wanted to kick Mommy off the couch? Aw. Did you want to kick Mama off the couch? You silly boy. What? Are you talking to Mama? Are you listening to what Mama has to say? Look at me. You're not looking at me. Up here. Good boy. Awesome job. See, look at me, little puppy. No, you can't have that. That's Daddy. Who said you could have this? Huh? Who said you could have this? That's Daddy's. No. That belongs to Daddy, you silly boy. Are you being Mama's puppy? Are you being a silly boy? Are you being silly puppy? Huh? Are you being a silly puppy? What, are you excited because it's snowing? Are you? Are you excited because it's snowing out? Should I tell Daddy? Should I tell Daddy that you are getting into trouble? Should I? Tell Daddy you're getting in trouble? Are you going to watch TV now?